Okay, if it wasn't enough that they changed the naturalization test to make it harder, they have the good moral character being more stringent. They have the neighborhood checks. There's another one that came out on August 29th about naturalization, the good moral character, unlawful voting, and false claim to citizenship in naturalization context. And it comes into more clarity about unlawful for the alien to vote in federal elections or in most states. In 1996, there was the IRA that added some more provisions, making it deportable who falsely claim. And they're publishing this guidance consistent with the executive order of initial rescission of harmful executive. So it affirms U.S. citizens considers an alien who's falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen if the alien affirmatively indicates that he or she is a citizen, U.S. citizen. If the alien registered to vote they have the burden to prove the registration form did not contain a question about whether the alien is a U.S. citizen, and the alien did not indicate in response to such a question he or she is a U.S. citizen. So they're making it more and more difficult, and I think what they're trying to do is that for people who apply for naturalization and who ever registered or accidentally said they're a U.S. citizen or what have you, they're trying to put you in immigration court and say that you're deportable. So this is a time to be ever more vigilant about naturalization. And that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to scare people into not applying for naturalization. But it doesn't mean that you don't have to. It means that you need to have a consultation to evaluate your eligibility, regardless of of all the things that could have happened. And I'm not specifically talking about the saying you're a U.S. citizen or voting. I'm talking about just in general, because right now, if you had voted or said you're a U.S. citizen, this is not the time to apply for naturalization. There might be more leniency if there was some accident, some leeway, and some misunderstanding in the past, but this is not the time, according to a lot of the more strict interpretations that are happening right now. My name is Ruby Powers, your go-to immigration attorney.